Good morning, everybody. It's Scott, Safe Dryer Vent Solutions. This is my first video of the new year. We're out here at a residence in Westfield where we're doing our safety inspection. And of course, I've already done the inside. Transition needed to be shortened and reconnected. But right now, I just wanted to show you the outside louvered vent failure. I'm always talking about the failure. That is a failure. If you'll notice, the lint's caught up here. These three doors are closed. This one's open. Notice the warping. That's why I personally don't like the louvers. I think they're the worst thing that people can put on the house. They last for about a year. So that's why one of the biggest things that I recommend is replacing that. And I'll show you why here in a minute. I'm going to go ahead and set this video up so I can get started. So again, this is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, locally owned, veteran operated, certified dryer exhaust company. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off, and when I take this off, you're instantly going to notice the dryer's breathing better. The reason for that is basically this is the same as you putting a mask on and running around the block and you start losing your breath. So basically, if we pop this off, notice, I don't know if you can see that, just automatically this stuff starts coming out of it and you're getting all this lint and stuff like that coming from it. And that's because the dryer can breathe now. This is what a louvered vent cover looks like after you take it off. Notice the 100% blockage, and it's just one of the worst vent covers out there. Great for a bathroom, horrible for a dryer. So basically, now we're going to go ahead and clean this out. And I just thought this would be a good one to start the year. That was a big one, big thing that just blew out. Notice I have not even touched it yet. I've not started cleaning and stuff is coming out. The dryer is just so happy. The vent cover is so happy to be able to breathe. So, and that's the goal I mean, we're getting chunks just breaking loose. I mean, just notice the airflow and how much it's increased by now. Again, this is Scott, Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. We are locally owned, veteran operated, certified dryer exhaust technicians. And there we have it. We're at the back of the dryer and we're cleaned out. We're going to go ahead and pull this out. We're not getting any lint with it, so I just pull it back out. So basically we are 16 feet is the distance on it. And now I'm going to take you off here, bring you over here. We're going to show you the inside of this nicely clean pipe. So like I said, this is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. One of the best ways to know if you're safe without that false sense of security is look and see, do you have one of these vent covers on your house? If you do, give me a call, have me come out and do a free inspection. Worst case scenario, we replace this, we change it out, and we give you something that you can count on. Again, this is Scott, Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. I hope you had a great Christmas, and I wish you a very happy new year, and thank you for bringing Safe Dryer Vent Solutions into 2019. You guys have a great day. Do you know what's inside your vent? Call me. I'll show you.